Welcome to Jingle Garden Tunes.
Hello, little friends. Let's start together. Sing along and learn with me. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for jam. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rocket. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for fox. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zip.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.